Alright guys, so for today's video we're going to be looking at the Strike 100 basically. It's a 3D printed Strike Industries lower frame, I guess you'd call it. You can see it's 3D printed, probably see the layer lines right there. We got the Strike Industries grip on here. I think this is Tyrant Designs extended slide release. And there it goes. See, all 3D printed. This is going to be a Strike Industries build, so if you don't like Strike Industries, you probably won't like this. But I got a few parts coming in. We're going to have the Strike light slide on here. We already have the compensator. I'm going to have the Strike Industries suppressor height sights. I'm getting the magazine, Tibney trigger, and magwell. And I think we're also going to get a Swamp Fox Liberty to go on it. So 3D printing has come a long way now, where you can see there's almost no layer lines on this, except for on the top and bottoms. This is called fuzzy skin. It gives it a grippy feel. You can probably see the kind of feel on it. But this is going to be the best way to remove layer lines and look like this is just OEM. It honestly just looks OEM to me. So I will have an update on this once all my parts get here. Like I said, we're going to placing everything in here. Trigger, magwell, this whole slide is going to be a new slide. Going to get Swamp Fox, new sights. This thing's going to be basically my new range gun. It's gonna be awesome, I'm hoping. And if you guys haven't figured out, this is also not a 19. This is a 19X, which means it's got the extended grip here. So just letting you guys know what 3D printing can do. You can see how beautiful some of the stuff came out. This stuff that's rough too. You know, this is rough, and this is rough, and this is a little rough. But you can see where 3D printing is going. We're getting to the age of where things are great looking now. You know, magazine release works just fine. Trigger works just fine, as you guys saw a second ago. These are Odyssey rails. Little hard trigger. We're gonna place that Tibney triggers. And this design is from Broken Bullets. He goes by Land of the Printed on Odyssey if you're looking for this. But very nice frame, and it will be a very nice build once we're all done here. Just so you guys know, this is my Glock slide from the PDW at home. That's why it has this cocking handle, because it's from the Bulligan Shooting Sports. Bulligan Custom Gunworks, yeah, Bulligan Custom Gunworks. This is the frame for that until I get a new frame for this. But I will give you guys an update, and this is going to be an awesome build. I'm very excited for this. If you have any questions, let me know. You can build multis with just eBay parts. And I think whole print took about 18 hours to print this. I had 160 millimeters on infill and then 40 millimeters on the outside walls, just so you don't have any ghosting. So that's going to be it, guys. Have a good one.